Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave Apps invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you import or upload your customer list into your Wave Apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your customer list into Wave Apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that it's time consuming to manage manually written out invoices. So with Wave Apps, they do make it easy to take care of that all in one place and track them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave Apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave Apps and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload your customer list, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you want to click on this button here, Sales and Payments. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on Customers. Okay, once you click on Customers, you're going to see all the customers or clients that you've added into your Wave Apps. However, to import a spreadsheet of your customers, click on this button here, Import from CSV. Now, if you just need to add one or two customers, you can do it manually by clicking on this button. But today we're going to go ahead and import a list. Okay, here they do let you know it should be a CSV file. Also, the value should be separated by a comma. So first you want to go ahead and click right here, choose file, and find the spreadsheet on your desktop. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the file. You can see it right here. And next what you want to do is click on upload and preview customers. Okay, so with this particular file that I uploaded, you can see that I didn't map it out correctly. So here is supposed to be the company name. However, for my file, it's showing up as name. And then here is supposed to be the first name in the second column, but I have the email right here. Last name in my third column is city, but it should be last name. So in order to make sure that you have your CSV mapped out correctly, be sure to click right here on view instruction, and it's going to show you how to put that information in the correct column so that way it's correct. This is a test account, so it doesn't really matter too much. So as long as all this matches up, you want to go ahead and click on yes, proceed with import. Okay, once you click on there, it's going to refresh and it should bring you back here to your customers and show you all of the correctly imported customers. For my account, it didn't import because I had the columns mixed up. But if your columns are set up correctly with the correct email and phone number, they'll appear right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your customer list into Wave Apps, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.